Okay, also these we found from our mood ring video. Right? I'm gonna keep these. I don't know what we're gonna use them for, but we should put them in like a card or something. It's like, if you're cold, blow here. That's in a work in progress, guys. Hi guys, and welcome to our quick little decluttering video. These videos are like super popular on YouTube. It's kind of like relaxing. Like ASMR, but for your eyes. And like motivating though, because after I watch these, I'm like, okay, now I have to go clean all of the things. Yeah, if you guys aren't into decluttering videos, click away. We'll see you next week. But if you are, subscribe or keep watching, because we have a lot of craft storage. I know we may like look put together on the outside sometimes. Our drawers, they're messy. They've accumulated a lot of stuff over the years, and some of it's like, why do we even own that still? And some of it's like, why is it in this drawer? Still. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go.
Some of the obvious problems are kind of this tool drawer. Like, we don't use half of these types of screwdrivers. What even are you? It's like a star shape. We never use it. We can't find the stuff that we do use because it's mixed in with the stuff that we don't use. And then like this drawer, good luck finding a screw that you actually need. There's no system going on here.
This is another really bad one here. This is like, I think it's the decor drawer.
Everything falls to the back. It's gone in the abyss of who knows what, and then the drawer won't close because there's stuff back there.
This is like an office drawer. Oh, this one's kind of organized. Our intern did that. This one's not bad. I'm into this.
Also, she fixed this one, which is the glue and tape drawer, but already it's kind of become a mess again.
So that means that we need a new solution. So, cause like, here's the thing, guys.
I'm listening.
So cleaning, it's like going on a diet. You can't just do it and not change your lifestyle. You can't just clean if the reason why it's getting messy is because the system isn't working.
It's true.
So we need to make sure the system works. We need to make sure the lifestyles change and that we're not just cleaning and we're not just on a diet.
It's true.
Life advice.
Look, I can't even close it now because I moved one thing and now it's like, good luck.
I like actually don't know where to start. Okay, I made this one recently, the cutting drawer. Do you like it? Ah!
Yes, this one's fine. I don't mind this as mess because like it's usable, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, unless we get a giant pegboard, but that's ugly. This is our
joke.
This is our cute pegboard though. This is the safety drawer. Again, it's fine.
You know what? 3 of the drawers are already fine. This
one
empty. Actually could get used for things.
This was fabric. Which this is not fabric. This one's like, again, this was our solve of making sure things don't fall out. But like, it's actually kind of not horrible. We went through a lot of this, decided what we need to keep. So this one's actually kind of sorted.
This is the sewing drawer. This is like a great declutter with me video, and like the first half's like actually not bad. But don't worry, it'll get worse.
I can live with this. And the sewing kit needs organizing in itself. Maybe let's start with that, and maybe I'll look at some of the other cabinets and see if we can make room.
Okay. Traditionally, like cleaning wise, you should take everything out and then put back in the stuff you actually need. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, I'm gonna clean out this drawer so that maybe some of the sewing stuff could come in here.
Okay, this lime green thread, will we ever use it?
Donate. Oh, maybe put these in a pile. And these.
Yeah, we will literally never use them. Like St. Patrick's Day is like not a thing. It is, but like it isn't.
Are these the vibe?
Who is she? Literally.
It's from that video where I was replicating my mom's outfit. Do we need this? RIP. Donate. Did we take this off somewhere?
Why do we own that?
We definitely need more of these. If you haven't seen our Eco Hacks video, check it out. We just uploaded it a couple days ago. And this is our reusable paper towel.
So now all the threads are like together at the top.
And you don't have to dig?
Yeah, because it's like half the threads are at the top and half are at the bottom. You like didn't know what color you had ever.
And then they all tangle together. I'm gonna leave this open for now because I feel like this is not the best use of things to go in there. So this drawer we decided to tackle when we get back.
Yeah, it'd be nice to just like take it out and put it in little compartments instead of like trying to store it all over the floor.
No, thank you. Next up, we have this.
This is a drawer that could easily be split into 2 because it's like always overflowing.
Okay, so now we just need to figure out what we want to keep down here.
I don't like that basket that all the paint is in.
Could you get a spice rack?
Danielle come through with the
maybe.
knowledge.
Spice rack.
Pass me like a standard size bottle. Like if you laid everything down in a row, you could see it a lot easier.
The other part is we just like rarely use these. Like, bye Felicia. Can you tell we don't like green?
We hate neon green apparently. Just get rid of it.
So many paintbrushes. Did you know we had all these paintbrushes?
No, we keep buying more because we think we don't have any.
This is like the worst paintbrush thing too. It's too tall, man. Unsubscribe.
So paint drawer is empty now, so we can move stuff into it so that we can use that drawer to put the paint back away. What up there like takes up the most amount of space?
Both of these drawers are like dowel woods and like strings and twines.
It's so hard because that bottom drawer is like so inconvenient to use. Like you need like big things, but we have a lot of small things.
But like maybe if we use bins, right?
That's what we should get, is like 2 big bins, like one for like yarn and one for like rope. I'm gonna get paper and like start writing a list of like the sizes of bins we need for various things so we don't forget.
Sounds good. Should we keep this?
Oh my god, lime green. Everything lime green is getting the boot.
Another drawer.
Yep. Okay, so this drawer has like everything in it. String, rope, wire that lights up, wire to catch fish. You can move all the string and stuff like that to the bottom empty big one and then keep the wooden type things that are like small wooden products. I like how there's just a candle in the clothes peg jar because like why not? Okay, so that wasn't too bad, but next up is like probably the drawer that intimidates me the most out of all the drawers.
The
decor and everything goes junk drawer.
It's the worst. It never closes. Weird French.
Wait, what was that even from?
From the anthropology blanket.
Where did that blanket even end up?
I don't know, it was cute.
It was cute.
It's from my new top. I feel like this is a vibe. Let's keep this.
It's a vibe, keep it.
Like, who put...
Who? What? Whomst? Wait, is there pins in there? We're like out of pins. This is good.
I love this DIY. I made it for my mom for Mother's Day.
It's one of our like OG videos. Exposing ourselves.
That stuff that turns
Oh my
stuff
god,
into...
I thought you had taken so much out.
No!
It's never ending.
Guys, I don't hope you're not looking forward to any glitter DIYs. This one isn't even open. I'm gonna try to return that to Michael's. We've had these since our Valentine's Day DIYs.
Which is so old school.
Insert video here. And you know what? We don't like glitter. Okay, but look at this stupid drawer now. Like, look at these poor candles. They're covered in glitter.
It's just glitter and beads. All that was left was a bunch of glitter. This drawer I haven't seen empty since we literally like probably moved here. And actually we did a good job. Like this is kind of all that's left after everything's been sorted.
So this is our glue drawer. Like Becky demonstrated before, it doesn't close very properly. You remember that time we did that test about which glue gun we like? And then we kept all of them? Donate, donate, donate. Jolly Christmas? It's Merry Christmas. What even is Jolly Christmas? Donation is what it is. Happy holidays, it's happy, just kidding.
Okay, then there's this drawer.
It's the party drawer with tissue paper and stuff, but also like essential oils, candle-y things. So maybe let's keep this as like the essential oils, candle-y type stuff, but then let's move all the party stuff to like down there. Oh, look what I found. Oh my god. If it was clean, we would know not to buy beeswax. Not the vibe. Need that on a shirt. Not the vibe.
Okay, so this is where we ended up putting essential oils, apothecary, Epsom salts, coconut oils, beeswax, stuff like that. Also, these are all our empty glass jars that we might use for different things. And then we had extra room, so we just put in clay over here on the side.
Yeah, so this drawer down here, like an electronic paper cutter machine and like accessories. We don't use that often, so we should just like tidy it up.
Yeah.
Do we need the manuals?
No. And like everything's online now.
Stop sending me paper.
Okay, got a lot of it sorted and cleaned, but now we need like all those like thousands of baskets. And
I feel like
buckets.
it's gonna add up.
But like dollar store, so dollar store, and we're like $3 store because Canada. So tomorrow we'll go grab those and then finish everything up.
We're really close. I'm proud. That went quickly.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. So if we can do it
you can do it too. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Okay, it's day 2 of decluttering and organizing, and there's a dog going crazy somewhere, but I'm going to the dollar store right now to look at container options. I have my list, and I'm ready. Oh, this is the puppy. Puppy, who left you all alone? Okay, bye. Okay, I'm back with a whole load of baskets and containers, so now it's time to like put them in the spots and like fix the drawers, but then also tackle this screw drawer. Wish us luck.
So this here is one of our worst drawers, and you guys saw Becky pick up these little divider containers. So I'm gonna get to organizing this. I think we're gonna take the lids off these because we don't need the lids. And that's good because if I'm taking off the lids, then I don't have to take off the stickers, which this didn't come off properly. And if you guys have seen our Q&A video we did recently, I don't like stickers. Disgusting.
Already looks so much better. So lastly, it's just like putting these last couple trays in places that we already organized it. We just needed the separators for it, and then we're almost done.
Have I told you I hate stickers today?
Yes, and many other days. God, it matches.
Screwdrivers.
This was, I think, for like the all.
All the other things?
Oh yes. Would like 3 of these be better, like all in this drawer?
Oh, I
You know what I mean? Like,
Can we use these elsewhere?
yeah.
Let's do it.
Wow.
Oh my god, so much better. Even like here, instead of 2 of these. Sometimes you need to reorganize your organization.
I know, I just did all this.
It looks great.
Okay, so then these can go in the scissors.
Room to grow.
I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out. That's why we cleaned up.
So yeah, we have a bag and a bin for donations.
A lot of it actually went to garbage because it was like literal garbage.
Yeah.
That had just been sitting in the drawers. A lot of it went to the vacuum. Like, it just looks so much nicer now.
Man, that's why you can never judge a book by its cover. Let us know which room in your house you need to tackle. Is it your closet? Is it your craft cupboard? Is it your like kitchen?
Tweet us when you do, because good for you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like.
And if you love it, make sure you sub it.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.